Hey, welcome to the channel. It's been a while since did any filming, and mostly been because we haven't had any projects. But we're gonna try to start doing some yard work. Hey, beefy boy. So, had neighbor kid come and dig all the rocks out of here. So you can see that big old pile over there. So we're going to kind of clean it up a little bit and get some landscape fabric in there. The old fabric was just tore up, and so got that mostly ripped out of there. Put some new stuff down, and we're going to do bark, because the bark is a lot easier than the rocks to pull the weeds. There was a fire yesterday about 8-10 miles that way, so last night I got the truck all ready to go. Water, generator, pump, but they got it contained now, so we're good. There's one more area we're going to be working on. Got a nice early start today, you know, it's 11 o'clock. 8 o'clock probably would have been nice when it was 60 out, but it's all good. Got a new boat cover. I think we're going to do that next, go out on the boat. So over here, we're going to line the edge of the yard with logs. I'm probably gonna have to go get some more, but we've got a few, you know, back in the forest. And we want to debark all in this whole area. So the goal today is to just get everything prepped for the bark and then go out on the boat. What do you think, Beef? It's good? Is that good, buddy? All right, need some more logs. So Allison's gonna follow me out here with the side by side. I'm gonna jump on old Betty here. after much deliberation, we decided we're gonna do logs. We were not liking the look of the big logs, so we swapped out for these skinny ones. We were playing with the idea of maybe doing rocks. I really didn't want to gather, you know, 100 feet of rocks, so we went with the logs for now. I think we're gonna move on to the front and get that prepped for bark. Check out these little kitties we got now. Hey, Beef. Hey, little kitty.
My name's Gus Gus.
Gus Gus.
Hi.
Oh, so cute.
My name's Tootsie. Hello. Wubba dub dub.
All right, we got all this rock that got pulled out over there, and Ainsley's getting the dirt out. I think it's gonna work. Some of the rocks are falling through though, huh?
Yeah.
Should we get that mesh stuff?
Sure.
Okay.
What are we gonna do with all these rocks?
Or maybe we want just the bigger rocks that don't fall through.
Yeah.
And these can just get raked into the gravel.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. All right, Avery, you're gonna need to get your shovel and just keep shoveling rock on there, okay? All right, this is what kind of started this whole endeavor. I should have filmed it, and I'm sorry I didn't, but yeah, this frost free broke, and more pipes broke in there. It was quite the job. But now I'm gonna use this landscape fabric to kind of wrap around. There's like a little drain down there at the bottom of your frost free that when you shut the water off, allows all the water to drain out, and it got plugged up with dirt, and that's why it froze and broke. So I'm gonna wrap it with this and put a little bit of rock in this so that water can drain out and not get plugged with dirt. All right, got this fabric kind of wrapped around. That's gonna keep the dirt from like getting into the gravel. I need to cut it just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, but kind of like a drain field. So fill this hole the rest of the way. We're ready to spread the rest of this stuff everywhere. Drive a little bit so we can sift that rock in the hitch basket. I think we need to go a little faster though. There we go. Yeah, perfect. It's a little vibration and it's gonna knock all that dirt out. It's gonna be perfect. All right, well, the rock reclamation project is going pretty well. Just loading it on this basket, and then what we found works best is just to kind of rake it back and forth on the basket. No driving, no trying to jump on it, just move the rocks back and forth. But yeah, it's kind of nice that we can reuse this stuff.
Oh, sure is. Gotta do it on your own because I gotta film. There you go. Oh gosh.
Yeah?
I mean, yeah.
All right. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Build that area too. We just gotta get this grass to green up. So, trimmed up that monstrosity. Doesn't look that great, but at least it's trimmed up. All in a day's work. So I think tomorrow we're gonna go boating. Today we ended up working the whole time. So if we go boating, I'll take you out there. All right, we're back on the bark project. Got my neighbor's dump trailer. Gonna go get some loads. Didn't mean to leave that running the whole time. So, man, that's the way to go. Freaking 9 yards in the truck and the trailer.
Hard work. Way better than getting all the loads from the truck. Is it stuck?
It's got to go quite a ways up.
You want to like drive forward, or can you not do that?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, okay. There's more. Well, you gotta go a little bit more. There you go.
All right, we're gonna try this out. It's Allison's idea. I think it's pretty good. So, anyway, put a little bit of ground cover there because trampoline goes there, and it gets a lot of water and shade because of the trampoline and the sprinkler or whatever. So anyway, see how the old Polaris does. The thing like goes up automatically when it hits any like resistance, so could use the tractor. We'll use the tractor on the next load. Maybe I'll just throw it around with the shovel real quick. All right, we just spent like 2.5 hours getting all the landscape fabric in. A lot of plants to cut around. Now, can't really dump it this time. We just gotta scoop and throw, but it's late, so we're just gonna try to power through and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. I'm excited. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's gonna look good.
It is. We got piles of weeds everywhere. Trying to clean things up, you know. All right, finally finished up all the bark and it looks pretty dang good, I think. At some point we'll get a couple more pickup loads to recover this mound. And there is a little bit behind the shed that's undone, but we like it. The logs look better than we expected, so that's good. And they're free. We have lots of them. The front turned out really good. So, really excited about that. Took the boat out today. That's why I'm in my swim gear. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. And there's the main line of the drip system the previous owners put in, and they didn't put any drippers in. So now that the bark's done, I can run some 1/4-inch tubing to the different plants and actually get them watered. We were kind of just like overcasting with sprinkler, and then that causes the weeds to grow everywhere. So hopefully now with the landscape fabric, the bark, and then actually getting water exactly where it needs to go, the plants will look better and we won't have as many weeds. We're trying to make things a little easier to take care of. So anyway, that's pretty much my week off. So that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. See you next time.